Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install GIMP in your computer in a very simple way. How you can do it, just simply open any of your favorite browser and simply search here GIMP. If you search it, then you're going to get a suggestion for a GIMP download. Click on that and you're going to get the first website from gimp.org. If you click on that, you're going to get the download GIMP 3.0.6. If you can simply download to the BitTorrent, via BitTorrent. Also, you can download for the 64-bit for Windows. You can also get the download from the Microsoft Store. So I'm going to download from GIMP 3.0.6. Click on that. You can see the download has been started, the setup.exe file. So it will take some of seconds to complete. For that, you need to keep patience. And you can see the setup.exe file is rightly downloaded. And now if you click on it 2 times to install and minimize the background app, it will going to come up with the select setup install mode. So I'm going to install for all users. I'm going to click on that. And if I just want to click on customize, if anything I need to change, I can simply do that and click next. And then I want to change the file directory. I'm going to select it into the D drive. Click OK and click next. And if any of these components you want to check in, you can simply do that, but I'm going to recommend you to make it as default and click next and install. You can see that trying to create restore point and it's extracting the file. So it will take some minutes to complete. For that, you need to keep patience. And you can see the installation is completed. And now if you click on launch GIMP and simply click finish, it is going to automatically open GIMP for you, and you can simply see the desktop icon is over here. And now you can simply see the GIMP is rightly downloaded and installed in your computer. You can simply see this. So this is how we can simply download and install GIMP in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.